This room was up to 84 degrees a few minutes ago. Now it's down to 78. House is standing at about, what is that, 74? 76? Here's the reading in the back of the house.